Hi, Aura Pampa here, and I'm going to show you how to create a quote of the day post using Canva. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is head into Canva. I've already started the process, but basically you would come in here into the search bar and type in quote. Then we're going to start with something free. So let's scroll down until we see a nice one. Ooh, actually we have a design here that looks quite good. Let's start with that. We're going to play around with a few colors and things. Okay, so what I like about this is it's got the quotation mark there, so you can tell that, okay, it's a quote. We're going to take a quote from somebody who's written something really cool and paste it in there. So let's go into this page here. So you can just go into Google and search for quotes. I can do that actually. Just go to a site that has a few. Let's go with this one. So do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. So we'll do with that. And then go into Canva, into the new one it loaded. And then in here, I'm going to double click that and then paste. Okay, so that's my quote, just there, just like that. Rather than good morning quotes, I'm going to call it Aura's favorite quotes. My name is Aura, and you can see some of my favorite quotes. Let's say, okay, so then over here, I'm going to change this to the name of the person, which was Ralph Waldo Emerson. Copy this and then paste that there. And voila, you have your quote of the day post already created, really simply. Now we can go about changing a few things. Okay, so let's go about making it more personalized, more like what we want. I'm going to change the color to something maybe a bit more, let's say tealy. So what I'm going to do is click on that background there. And if I move my screen, you can have a look and see what other colors are available. You know, we could go for, let's go for a dark turquoise. Okay, that's interesting. I don't quite like the color there, that color there, but we'll deal with that. Let's check other colors. So I'm going to click on the color, background color there, and then change that to, yeah, this is good. This is good. I like this. Let's see this one. No, I like this one, bright and, you know, it gets your attention. Okay, let's change the color of these. So to select more than one object on the screen, what you can do is hold the shift key and then click on the object. Okay, and then go back to the color, click on that, and then you can change the color. So let's see, we could either go for something contrasting or the same color. Let's see. Let's see, white is okay. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me make it the same color first and see how that feels. Okay, let's change the color here to, yeah, I like it the same color as the previous one, so we can do that. And there you go. You have a design with a quote of the day post. Now you can always change a few more things. So we can change the font, for example. So let's change the font from Laura to, ooh, that's cool, but it's not very legible, right? So we could try League Spartan, Mary Kate. Okay, that's a different design. We can make the font bigger. Okay, much bigger. Okay, no, I think that's a bit too big. Let's make it smaller. Let's go for 50. Okay. Cool. There we go. But let's say we want the same thing, but not necessarily this design. We want a different background picture behind it.